The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in northeastern Kansas, northeastern Shawnee County, southeastern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Denison to 4 miles east of Silver Lake, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northeastern Topeka, Valley Falls, Oskaloosa, Perry, McRalph, Meriden, Hoyt, Ozaukee, Nortonville, Winchester, Denison, Williamstown, Perry Lake, and Grantville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for northeastern and east-central Kansas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.